In today's video, I will walk you through how to download ElevenLabs text-to-speech audio. Once you're in ElevenLabs, go to the text-to-speech tool. In the text-to-speech section, locate the text box in the center of the screen. This is where you enter the text you want to convert into audio. Type or paste your text into the text box. Next, look at the voice options on the right side of the screen. Select the voice you want to use for your text. After selecting the voice, review the available voice settings. You can adjust options such as speed, stability, similarity, and style exaggeration according to the settings you want to use. Once you've selected your voice and adjusted the settings, click Generate Speech. ElevenLabs will process the text and generate the audio using the selected voice and settings. After the speech has been generated, listen to the result to check the audio. Once the generated audio is ready, locate the download option for the generated speech. Click the download option to save the ElevenLabs text-to-speech audio to your device. That completes the process for downloading ElevenLabs text-to-speech audio. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. Please like and subscribe.